If you've been struggling to grow your hair longer and thicker, then you have come to the right place. In this video, I'll be showing you a hair growth treatment to help you grow out your natural hair and keep it healthy. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. The first ingredient we'll be using for this treatment is bay leaves. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties can help fight scalp infections like dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis, which can hinder hair growth. It helps create a healthier scalp environment by reducing inflammation, which can damage hair follicles. Bay leaves can also stimulate blood circulation in the scalp, which promotes hair growth. And because these leaves are rich in vitamins A, C, and B complex, as well as minerals like calcium, iron, and manganese, they will help nourish the scalp and strengthen hair follicles. The next ingredient I'll be adding is hibiscus leaves. Hibiscus leaves gives hair a natural shine. It moisturizes the hair. It makes the hair smoother and silky. It treats dandruff, stimulates hair growth, improves hair texture, and darkens the hair. For the measurement, I'll be adding about 3 leaves of hibiscus to this. The next ingredient we'll be adding is moringa powder. You can either use moringa powder or moringa leaves. Anyone works just fine. Moringa is rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy hair, including vitamins A, B vitamins, vitamin C, E, iron, and zinc. These work together to nourish the hair follicles, strengthen the hair strands, and improve the overall health of the hair. The next thing I'm going to do is to add hot water to these ingredients. I'll be leaving this to sit for about 8 to 12 hours. Please do not allow this exceed 8 to 12 hours. The reason I'll be leaving it for that long is so that the nutrients from my ingredients can be infused into the water. This hairspray will help stimulate hair growth, treat dandruff, darken the hair, regrow bald spots, moisturize the hair, and nourish your scalp. So guys, I'd advise you to try this hairspray because it has numerous benefits for the hair. So I'll be leaving this for about 8 to 12 hours so that the ingredients, nutrients can be infused into my water. So after about 8 to 12 hours, this is how your spray should look like. The color of the hibiscus should overcome every other color. So this is how it looks like. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to strain this with a strainer, or you can make use of cheesecloth because cheesecloth strains these ingredients better. After straining this hairspray, I'll be transferring it to my measuring cup because it makes it easier for me to transfer to my spray bottle. I still haven't gotten a funnel. I always forget every time I enter the market, but I'll put it into consideration next time. So I stored this mixture in the fridge because I wasn't ready to use it ASAP. So please, if you're not going to use this spray immediately, kindly store them in the fridge so that they don't ferment or get spoiled. So I'll be spraying this on my hair. As you can see, I'll advise you to focus on your problem areas. I'll be starting with my edges. Not like my edges have any problem, but you know how thin our edges are. So anytime I'm taking care of my hair or spritzing anything, I usually put in more efforts when working with my edges. So you start with your edges or any problem areas. If you're having problem with your nape, focus on it. If you're having problems with your crown, focus on it. As for me, I'm focusing on my edges because I want fuller edges. So as you can see, I'm focusing on my scalp. This spray needs to go around your hair from your scalp to your ends, to the body of your hair. You need to saturate this spray all over your hair. Please do not miss any part of your hair when applying this spray. Feel free to apply it on your scalp. It doesn't have any side effects. Apply it on your scalp, your hair, the ends of your hair, everywhere. It just works for every part of your hair. After spritzing this on my scalp, I'll start spritzing it on my hair, on the length of my hair. So I'll be spritzing, as you can see, I'm spritzing it on the length of my hair. As I'm spritzing it, I'm also trying to squeeze it in, because again, our hair is low porosity. Like I always mention in all my videos, you have to squeeze in any treatment you are applying to your hair so that it can do its work. If you do not squeeze it in, this treatment is just going to sit on top of your hair and it's not going to do the work it is supposed to do. So after spritzing this on my hair, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to massage my hair. I always talk about massaging of hair. I always mention the importance to you people, because massaging my hair has actually helped me. So never skip scalp massage whenever you are applying any of these treatments. On to the next, we'll be applying a leave-in conditioner, and I'll be using my Hair Wonder leave-in conditioner just because it's good for the hair, it feels great, and it also works magic. I'll be applying this to my hair, not really my scalp. Leave-in conditioners are not really needed on the scalp, they are needed on your hair. So focus more on your hair and try to squeeze in this leave-in conditioner into your hair. My hair feels and looks moisturized already, and I'm not even done. The next step is to apply oil on your scalp. Yes guys, apply oil on your scalp. So I'll be leaving the card up there about how I prepared this hair oil. Yeah, I'll be leaving the card up there so that you can see how I made this hair oil. I think there's Moringa there, there's black seed. I can't tell exactly I can't tell exactly what I use in this oil, but I know Moringa is there because it's green. So I'm just going to leave the card up there for you so you see how I made this oil. So yeah, focus on your scalp. If you have any problem areas, maybe you have thinning edges, just focus on it. After applying this, as you can see, I'll be applying this oil on my fingers and then massaging my hair again. Never get tired of massaging. Massaging helps the blood to circulate around your scalp, and while the blood is circulating around your scalp, it encourages hair growth. So when applying any treatment I mentioned in this channel, please do not hesitate to massage. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to clump my ends with this hair booster shea butter from Baru shea butter. I'll just be applying it to the ends of my hair. You can see the ingredients that were used in making this shea butter. It makes it more effective and more whatever. So yeah, I'll be clumping my ends with this, and this is how my hair looks like. I'll be packing my hair back into like a bun and making sure that I hide my ends in my hair, something like that, so that the ends of my hair is not going to dry out, because the ends of the hair are prone to drying out easily than every part of the hair. So I went ahead to hide the ends of my hair. So guys, we are done with this video. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, please like, share, subscribe, and I'm going to see you on my next one. So before I leave, I would like to tie a scarf on my hair before going to bed. Bye guys, and I'll see you on my next one.